Guys, welcome back to Tasty Tailgating, presented by Pepsi. Today, we're making my favorite sandwich for when I was living up in Harlem, the chopped cheese. Let's get cooking. All right, guys, today we're making a staple of Manhattan, but specifically the Bronx and Harlem. We're making a chopped cheese sandwich. So easy to do. We have ground beef, we have an onion, some tomatoes, good old American cheese, some Saison seasoning. This is very important. It's not authentic unless you have this, but good news is you can find it anywhere. And then some lettuce. You gotta have some nice bread. I got mine keeping warm in the oven here. Nice little French demi-baguette, but you can use a hoagie roll. That works great too. First things first, I'm gonna get an onion diced up. Boom, got that. Next, we're gonna get a pan on medium-high heat, and you're gonna get your ground beef. I'm using 80-20 beef. Same thing you'd use if you're making a burger. In fact, you can just get a burger patty, use that. That's kind of how it originated. You wanna keep it in this shape. We're gonna press it down, and we're gonna try to get a really nice crust. Like we're making a smash burger, you want a lot of browning on this. That's gonna add a lot of flavor. So get that down in a hot pan, smash it down with your hands or with a spatula. We're gonna hit this with a little bit of salt. Not too much though, because our Saison seasoning has a good amount of salt in there. Whole packet is gonna go right on top. While that ground beef is cooking, I'm gonna get some lettuce. I just have a head of iceberg lettuce here. You want shredded lettuce for this. You don't wanna keep it whole. Pull a couple leaves off like so. Take those, roll them up, and then you're just gonna slice. Just like that. All right, the ground beef now is ready to be chopped. Look at that color from that seasoning. So get in there, get it with a spatula or a bench scrape, chop away. We have this nice, this is what you're looking for. Nice, you want some good browning, some good crusty bits on the bottom there. And as that beef continues to cook, we're just gonna add our onions to the other half of that pan. A little bit of salt on that. We have our tomato, and I like really super thin slices of tomato. You can use a knife, but if you have a mandolin, you're gonna get the best result. There you go, super thin slices. Now we can start to mix that onion in with the ground beef. Let that all finish cooking. Once that's all cooked, we're gonna go in with our American cheese. And this, don't be shy with this. This is a sandwich that's meant to indulge a little bit here. So we're going with 4 or 5 slices of American cheese. It's gonna melt right into that. It's gonna get super gooey. It's gonna help everything stick together on this sandwich. That'll start to melt right in. And we can start, oh yeah, just mix that up. Chop that in. Ooh. And this whole thing comes together in what, 10 minutes, if that? Very easy to make. Time to build. Grab that warm bread out of the oven. I'm just gonna slice it right down the middle. Ooh, that's nice and warm. We're gonna go on with some mayonnaise now on both sides here. Get our layer of lettuce. So this is just a deconstructed cheeseburger. It's essentially what it is, but God, it tastes so good. Load up those thinly sliced tomatoes. We're just gonna pile this now. Just like in a good cheeseburger, ketchup to finish it off. And that's a good looking chopped cheese right there. Now I'm gonna try to fold this thing over. Let's see if I can do it. Now the wrap is important. This is gonna hold everything together. We're gonna slice it in tin foil, let it sit a little bit. Everything's gonna kind of come together. You can use parchment paper, tin foil, doesn't matter. Let's get a nice tight wrap on this though. There you go, just like the bodegas. All right, guys, and there you go. That's the chopped cheese sandwich. We have Jersey Jerry in the kitchen. He's gonna come try this. You like a chopped cheese, Jerry?
I never have.
What?
I never have.
You're from Jersey? You're from Jersey?
I know. I didn't want to say it publicly. I never have.
That's crazy. Well, here, it was the first time for everything. I'm gonna cut this thing open now. We'll put it in the basket.
So essentially, it's just ground beef and cheese?
It's beef. It's a cheeseburger that's been deconstructed. And look at that.
Looks good, Donny.
Yeah, that does look good. That's gonna be nice. All right.
I ain't gonna keep half.
Yeah, you can keep half. Yeah. Good. But remember, every Craveworthy bite tastes better with Pepsi. Here's a classic, I have Pepsi Zero Sugar. Jerry, without further ado, let's go. This is your first one. So
good bread.
Oh yeah, good bread. Publican, yeah. Good bread. So yeah, we'll peel.
I want to eat this right though.
I wrapped it like a deli, so I went kind of crazy on the wrapping. It didn't have to be quite this many. Yeah, peel the wrapper.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Okay. That's a nice peel. That's a better peel than mine.
Let's go in, right?
Let's go in. It's not gonna be pretty.
Oh, Donny.
Oh man.
Donny, that's good.
That's good, right?
No, it's good.
Well, there you go, guys. It's a chopped cheese sandwich. We'll see you next time on Tasty Tailgating. Jerry?
Incredible.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys.
Donny, that's so good.